Say hi, Tina.
Hi. Say
Hi. 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 I'm feeling mellow. Just kidding. It's cool. Take it outside.
Da kaj ti budeš jesti?
Ne znam, kaj ste mi sad jesti?
Još jest peanut butter.
Really? You gonna eat the peanut butter? Really?
Da. Ne znam uvijek mi se jede.
I'm not hungry.
Ne znam.
Pass.
Ima gotovo. Ako hoćeš, imaš. Da pa ga gotovo. Ja sam sad ne mogu onak nabrajati.
We have loads of food. Thanks to you. So, guys, today's the day. Like, people are not even ready. We're like, pardon?
No, you said today's the day.
Today's the day. People are not ready for us. I had a tutorial about how to eat a peanut butter.
Oh, this is like no tutorial. I'm eating it in the worst possible way. Just putting it on the bread.
Like your
That's
soup.
it. Oh yeah, no. You know, there's supposed to be a way like peanut butter and jelly and this thing, but
Oh,
Yay! Okay. Yeah.
Tell me the truth, girl. You're lying to yourself. I told you my name's a girl. Been in and out of jail. Must be able to tell. I've been dying for a chance to tell you. Tell me the truth, girl. Tell me you like me. Tell me you want me. Yeah.
Perice, fališ nam. Sad nam fali treća osoba. Fali nam crew. Ova pjesma za tebe. Specially for you, Pero. Tina. Tina. Thank you, Tina.
welcome Ida.
Okay.
Ti onako drugi den. A da sam još pečem za den.
Then, jesi čuo? I have to say it like in English. Tina said, now you are like other than, like, really.
Really high Ida. Pero, you should have come. I told you to come. You didn't want to. We miss you. You were too busy with your life. Forever, with your new girlfriend. Ooh. Next time.
Next time, all of us.
There will be no next time.
It's so cold, you guys. And I'm like living in London, and here is like more colder than there. Tell them.
It's colder. For sure it's colder.
But you like sljedeći tjedan kad budeš išla.
A dobro, možda.
Je, ali,
Idemo prek ceste na auto.
I'm here with Alka. Finally, we are here.
In Paris.
In Paris.
There is no Eiffel Tower right now, but
Yeah,
it's still Paris. If you don't believe us, it's Paris.
if you don't know, now you know. If you don't know, now you know. We're in Paris. I'm here with my cousin, with my favorite with my cousin, because they're all favorites. Of course, I love you all. Okay, I love you all. She's not like the favorite one. She's just the one here.
The one.
No, I didn't mean like that.
The one.
No. So I'm here with my cousin. I onak u Londonu svi to nose. Ja ne znam ekipe zato što onak košta bi bilo 2000 kuna kod nas. Tipa ne znam 200 kuna. A onak svi nose, nikom nije grš kuš ekipa ono, njima se može. So you guys, Tina, tell them Tina. Tina, tell them.
So you guys, we're getting ready to go to the
Don't have-
best ever competition in hip hop. Ever
Really?
in life.
Like,
That you're gonna everywhere, anywhere see or experience. This is like the top of hip hop culture.
like really, I'm
As you
gonna
can
put
see,
that.
I am so much hip hop right now. You can't even. this is my hip hop style.
And me too, but
Ida made me put these shoes on my heels. So
I made
we
you
can be
put
like more with the hype. You know, he doesn't want to look small.
I don't want to look small. Ja podaj s kilom. Uzmi ga iz ruke. Utrgni ga.
Oh no, aj si pogledala.
Da, nemoj strat.
Ah, damn, fuck.
Shit. Step on the poop. Vidim. A još tu otići da ide. Nemaš učinu to. Čekaj. So guys, I'm so happy to see my cousin. She stepped on poop. Pardon? What is that? Oh. She stepped on poop. I cannot. That's what happens when you're not like paying attention.
Ida, ja pokušavam na poslati jednu poruku.
Don't be. I know. I'm
I sad stavno još.
so funny. I love her. I love it, Tina. She stepped on a poop though. Like really?
And she didn't even warn me.
I thought you saw it. Like really? You're not even paying attention. You have to be careful. Watch where you're going. That's what I'm saying to everyone. Like watch where you're going. Like even my little boys are like watching where they're going, Tina. I like you. Ma daj me, nema prsa, daj da vidim. I ne vidi se. It's done. It's done. It's done. Tell them the experience.
It's disgusting, and right now I want to just go home
And cry.
and burn these shoes forever.
Cry about it.
But you don't know.
You don't know.
Ali sam napraviti skrivnu kameru.
Tebi na glavu, ne? Na glavu
Ali
tebe.
pa si kako narodiš to ako sam.
A znam ga ne bolje bilo ovako. Već imam treći. Da ti pero cijelo nekad su bili trsu ovako tječno. Ja da koji pa mi
Sada
stavim.
se vidi u nosu, onako ima skrmotu. Ali, Igorić,
Kad si gladan uzmi.
kad si gledam izbuti.
Ja moram sad.
Ovo će biti rezano.
I'm like, you guys, everybody's looking like, what the hell are they doing? Like,
Kako je to?
definitely still like,
Ako mislila da si polu row.
like,
Mislila da je to fake ruka. Kako je izgubila je ruku.
pa ima GoPro.
Izgubila je ruku pa sam
Ima
ovo ima
stalak.
nastavak.
To je bio u novije vrijeme kapetan Kuga s GoPro.
Kapetan Go.
Kapetan Go! Kapetan Go! Kapetan Go! Isuse, kako vidim suze.
Ja se nadam da smo sad manje. A došao si me jednu stanicu. Dvije stanice, 3.
Ovo je blizu dođemo Londona.
iPhone torni.
Big Ben. Jednu stanicu.
Kako je bio ocean koji prelazi.
Plivamo još malo, ovdje držiš mobitel. Early morning in Paris.
Hi, we're going to the street.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing.
Best time
Not even
ever.
cold.
So like it's really warm, it's sunny. You're not even tired. Yeah, we're going to the metro. Best time ever. Okay.
Avec les participants de la finale, Loki. For the first team, Luna and Mrs. Jeans and Lil Blade. Côté rouge, j'appelle Nomad et One Nation. Nomad, One Nation. Hey, 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 hey. Here we go, here we go.
breaks. You are special.
80 kuna za salatu.
11 euros for the salad. The salad. Really? But my sandwich is like so good. It's so good. It's not even like cold. It's like really hot, like really nice one. I think it's fresh also, you know, like a fish from the sea. Fresh. So fresh. Fresh as a pig. Tina.